who cares for them and for their safety. If you don't care about yourself, give some attention to the community, to the society, to the other Muslims. Would you like to be infected? If someone comes to you and say, listen, I have it and I'm going to infect you with it. Are you okay with that? Definitely not. Then how is it okay for you to go and harm others? When the Prophet said, alayhi wasallam, "La yu'minu ahadukum," he will not believe. One of you will not believe until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. If you love for yourself not to be infected by others, then at least have the honor not to infect others. The authorities told you, pray at home. In Saudi Arabia, the major grand muftis and scholars of Saudi Arabia gave this instruction 2 weeks ago. Yesterday, it was my second week, praying Friday at my home, praying it al-Dhuhr 4 rak'ahs with my family, not Jumu'ah. We've been almost 13 days unable to pray in the masjids, unable to sit until Ishraq and sunrise and pray, unable to do the things we love. Don't you think that this breaks our hearts? Definitely it does. But Islam is not based on whims and desires. Islam is a logical religion. It's not based on impulsive decisions. It's based on consequences of your choices. And what the people are doing in Nigeria, what the people are doing in Pakistan and India, and trying to be a Rambo, is wrong, is sinful, and is selfish.